Have you got one of these in your second drawer in your kitchen, but you don't know what it is? It's made by Tupperware and it's an orange peeler. I'm pretty sure I didn't have to pay for it. I'm pretty sure it was one of those gifts they used to give away at Tupperware parties. And it's really, really useful, especially if your thumbnails are getting to the point where they get split. Great way to peel an orange. I did scrabble around to see if I could find a crochet hook that would do the same thing, but they don't seem to. What is available on the internet is a similar sort of product, and there were even some on eBay that were available second hand. Might be worth your while finding one. I'll see you next time.